ibang balita ay pinaubayan na ng Malacanang sa Department of Education ang pagtitiyak sa kaligtasan ng mga mag-aaral. Kaugnay ng ipinalabas na red lines ng PHIVOLCS kung saan nakasaad ang mga lugar na sakop ng West Valley Fault. Ni Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Barte, kinumpirma na ni Education Secretary Armin Luistro na hindi papayagang gamitin ng mga mag-aaral ang school buildings na hindi cleared ng DPWH sakaling tumama ang malakas na lindol. Dagdag pa nito, may ginagawa ng paghahanda ang pamahalaan para sa mga mag-aaral na madi-displace kung sakaling maideklarang hindi ligtas ang kanilang school building.
The DepEd is working to find, Secretary Luistro was saying, not allow any students to use buildings that have not been cleared by the DPWH. So that's one. Second, once we have a better picture or the figure of students that may be displaced because of the unsafe structures, then DepEd will have to find other places where other schools where the kids can be enrolled, or in the alternative, to put up temporary learning centers to await construction of new classrooms if necessary.